RIMO Rental Solution is a totally solution designed for unmanned car rental services. RIMO Rental Solution include a cloud-based SaaS platform running on AWS, a set of IoT kits, and users app. Next, we will provide a detailed overview of the RIMO Rental Solution. RIMO Rental Solution is a platform developed by RIMO Technology. RIMO Technology was established in Taiwan in 1992 and has been focusing on technological innovation in mobile resource management for over 30 years. It owns Taiwan's first fleet management platform and has been engaged in the development of car-sharing technology for over 10 years. In addition to Taiwan, RIMO Technology has also successfully exported its services overseas, especially in Southeast Asia, including Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Collecting and controlling vehicle data is the core function of our unmanned car rental service. Our 4G shared vehicle kit includes three main devices. The IDU handles vehicle location, status, and data transmission. The CAN-box diagnoses CAN data and controls the vehicle. The I button ensures the car key is properly returned at the end of the rental. RIMO provides more than 80 customized parameters, offers a fully developed, highly customizable solution, allowing businesses to go live in just 3 months, including one exclusive app. RIMO's car-sharing kit supports a wide range of cars, trucks, and even motorcycle. The RIMO Rental Solution backend gives operators a real-time overview of the entire rental business, providing full control at a glance. It covers everything you need to run a car rental platform, including member verification and approval, order records and adjustments, vehicle and location management, flexible marketing tools, dealer and franchise management, corporate client services, customer service and task dispatching, financial management. Rental service operators can easily adjust and customize features to fit their business needs, making RIMO a truly versatile and powerful solution. On the user side, everything is done through the app. From signing up, making a reservation, picking up and returning the car, to completing the payment and finishing the rental. Now, let's take a look at a short demo video of how to run the service through the app.
First, open the Zipcar app and book a nearby vehicle.
After selecting the vehicle, choose the reservation time. Go to the parking lot, find the Zipcar vehicle, and press the Pick Up button. Take a photo of the vehicle's exterior to unlock the car door. Then, take a photo of the vehicle's interior. Sign, and you're ready to go. Returning the car is just as simple. Press the return button, check the boxes, and sign. Start taking photos of the vehicle's interior and exterior. Lock the car, and done.
Our system supports round-trip and one-way sharing, free-floating rentals, 24 hours self-service car rentals, corporate car sharing, and scooter sharing and business truck rentals. RIMO Rental Solution extends beyond traditional car rental services. With over 8,000 vehicles and 4,400 two-wheelers already using our system, we continue to drive innovation in shared mobility solutions. We look forward to working with you to enhance your rental business and take shared mobility to the next level.